Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock Facebook profile in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your profile settings. Here you can see settings and privacy. Press on this. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see profile locking. Press on this. Now you can see here lock your profile. Click on it. Press on OK. So this is how to lock your profile in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.